Okay. Okay, we just got a slime. And from Etzy.
They can't
Etzy?
see you. They can't see you.
Etzy slime.
Oh yeah.
Etzy slime. Wish slime. Some random website.
I'm not this small. She's making me do this. Because I got the camera last night.
Okay.
Okay. So
we're gonna play. First, we're gonna play with a random weird slime. Show. Let him see it.
the random weird slime. Okay. You have to move it over here. You have to move
Just
it
go
over.
boom.
So here's my slime.
Okay, this is our slime.
Okay. What the heck?
It's like
What? What? This isn't even what? This isn't even sand though. Like,
it's not even like
this looks like old kinetic sand. It's probably like, ew, I don't want to touch that.
it's moldy.
Okay, so we're gonna have to touch it because you have to put
Oh.
it back in the bucket.
Oh no.
This is disgusting, guys. This is the most disgusting thing I've ever touched in my life.
Don't let it go.
And
We don't want our dogs to eat it.
we'll be back in a minute. So there's an extra, which we got bead slime. So
Beads. It's literally.
oh, it's just beads. We can't pull it out because it's just beads and it's gonna go everywhere. But it's just beads.
It's nice.
It's
feeling.
just beads.
Wait, we should put it in water.
Alright, so this next
Maybe
one.
they're Orbeez.
Maybe. Okay, so
We'll be back.
alright, so we're back. I don't want the phone to fall.
Okay.
It's like at the last thing.
We're back.
That is at the last thing.
Our camera fell.
Yeah, it fell. Oh,
Okay.
wait, it's not showing the ground. Maybe it was like that.
Oh my god, this stupid camera.
I see my
We're
little
back.
lower. We had to put on
Yeah,
like, the
it fell.
thing.
Okay,
Yeah,
now we're
it's
doing a random website.
a random website. We don't remember what we got this
Hold
on.
on. What? There's old bad slime. There's bad slime in it.
Oh, you put that bad. What is this? Oh my gosh.
This is super good.
It's not slime, but like it's just so cool.
It's so
yeah.
nice feeling.
I think I ordered more of this, to be honest with you.
Oh yeah. I think you did, but it's not here yet.
Yeah, I don't think it's here yet. We'll make a video of that because this is so cool. It looks like cat litter though.
It feels like
I think
cat litter.
we put cat litter in this.
Well, still, it's either that or
It's so cool though.
Oh, want to see something really satisfying? Take it, put it in this. Like, put it all the way down.
Okay, wait. Satisfying moments. She added our slime together. I am triggered here. I'm triggered.
I think you have a little bit
I think
more.
I have a little bit more here. Okay,
This is actually super
this
good.
next slime was from Etzy.
Let's test it.
Well, this is sand.
It's
Etzy.
purple. Look how
Oh
smooth
my god,
it
it's so small, soft.
Ew, Mom.
Ew, Monica.
You farted in our video.
Yeah, don't fart in our video.
Why don't you slide that thing down?
Oh my god, look, I'm pulling a hair out.
And you use the chair.
There was
Ew,
a hair.
that stinks, Sophia. That stinks.
Okay. Slime ASMR.
It stinks so bad. It's so hard though.
I farted that time.
Yeah, that was her. It stinks.
I'll do it again.
Don't fart again, I swear. I will leave. Wait, I can't, because my mom is picking me up.
Exactly.
I will...
You'll walk outside.
I'll walk outside.
You'll walk home.
No, I can't do
Just
that.
Stephanie's.
I live in... Stephanie, I think they live there. They moved.
Who lives there?
No one. They moved. They live in Texas again.
So you're never gonna see Stephanie again?
No, that's my brother's baby. What are you talking about? She has my brother's baby. I'm gonna see her again. Ew!
how soft it is.
Ew, that stinks, but you know,
Even worse.
I'm only here for the video.
Ew, it stinks.
We both like pretty bad right now because we woke up. We were up like almost all night last night.
We were up until like.
I was editing a video, okay? Be quiet. And I was talking to my mom. So.
Okay, watch this. Satisfying. It doesn't make a sound. Let's go back to the other song.
Okay, so here's satisfying moments.